Hello my friends, at this time I want to share something that I bought in Amazon. It's a bead spinner kit. This bead spinner kit is especially for embroidery by hand. It comes with 3 packages of beads, and also it comes with 2 needles. The 2 needles that are for catching the beads and transferring into a thread. And also we have the ball of the spinner, and here is the spinner. So we hook the ball with the spinner, and you see it turns, and that's the way it spins. Now we're gonna get one of our needles, gonna take it out of the bag, and we're gonna thread it. We have to put a thread so we can, when we catch the needles the beads into the needle, we have to transfer the needles into a thread. So the needle has an eye. They have it's like a needle but in a different shape, They're very thin and flexible. So here I'm threading my thread into the eye of the needle. Okay. I just pull a little bit of amount of thread, and then I'm gonna start spinning. I put the needle in a certain angle, in a way that beads come into the needle. As you can see, I'm doing it slow first because I need to place it in the right way. So now I'm getting it. So you see how I'm spinning, and the beads are coming into the needle. You can catch as much as you can. Continue spinning until you have the amount that you want. Okay, here I got enough amount, and I push it back into the thread so I'm gonna transfer it now to the thread. So you see how I'm pulling it down into the thread? I already did some, but I just wanted to show you how it works. So I'm transferring all the beads into the thread. Okay, I did enough amount. You see my long cord that I did. Now I'm gonna do a knot at the end of one of the threads, and I'm gonna keep it like that because I want to continue putting all the beads into that thread. So now I'm doing the knot so the bead doesn't fall from the thread. You see it, and then I push it down to the end of the thread, and the bead doesn't fall, so I can roll it up into the thread spool so I can keep it safe. This one is a tambour needle that I bought also. This needle is the one that embroiderers use in India and France to embroider it by hand, and they use a tambour frame. They tie the fabric in the tambour frame and then start embroidering. So that's what I'm learning how to do that. So my friends, thank you for watching my video and hope you like it.